Hello friends, today we will discuss the answer key of Rajasthan Judicial Prelims 2021. It is answer key of code A. Let's see question number 1. Under the Transfer of Property Act 1882, attached to earth does not mean. Answer is option 3, growing crops. Second question. Which of the following statement regarding Chapter 8 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882 relating to off transfers of actionable claim is incorrect? आपको incorrect बताना है. So answer is 1. This chapter applies to instruments which are for the time being by law or custom negotiable. Under section 137 of this act, TPA does not apply to these, but it is saying apply, so it is incorrect. Next question. Which of the following statement regarding the gift under the TPA is correct? Answer is 3. If Dhoni dies before acceptance, the gift is void. See the fourth question. The repealment of Rajasthan Promises Control of Rent and Eviction Act 1950 by Section 32 Clause 1 of Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001 affected which of the following? Answer is fourth, none of the above. Next question. On the application under Section 22E of the Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001, court fee shall be payable. Answer is option 2, 100 rupees. Next, question number 6. Under the provision of Rajasthan Rent Control Act, which of the following is not a requisite regarding the inspection of rented permit? Answer is 4, option number 4. Such inspection shall be carried out only in the presence of tenant, because हमें not a requisite बताना है. Okay, so option is 4. Next, question number 7. Under Rajasthan Rent Control Act, an application made under Section 23 shall be deposited by the Rent Authority within dash from the date of presentation of application. Answer is option 3, that is 60. Question number 8. Specific Relief Act. Any person having the possession and control of the particular article or movable property of which is not the owner may not be compelled specifically to deliver it to the person entitled to its immediate possession in which of the following cases? Answer is 1, option 1, when the thing claim is not held by the dependent as the agent or trustee of the planted. Next question, question number 9. It is also known as SRA when a part of the contract which taken by itself cannot ought to be specifically performed stand on separate and independent footing from other part of the same contract which cannot ought or ought not to be specifically performed, then answer is option 3, option number 3. The court may direct the specific performance of the former part. This is clause 4 of section 12 of SRA. Question number 10. Any suit filed under the provision of Specific Relief Act 1963 shall be disposed of by the court within a period of, it is 12 months. Option C is the answer. Next, which of the following is not defined under Section 2 of Limitation Act 1963? Answer is option 3, check. Next, under Limitation Act, which of the following is not correct definition? Option A, tort means a civil wrong, which is exclusively the breach of contract or the breach of the trust. Actually, definition and limitation of tort is given. Tort means the civil wrong, which is not exclusively. So here this is incorrect. To enforce the right of preemption, 1 year. Limitation is 1 year. Option number 4. Under Section 15 of Limitation Act 1963, exclusion of the time is not applicable to appeals. Answer is option 2, appeals. Indian contractor requisite for valid rectification is option is A. Option 1 is the answer, knowledge of correct fact of the case. 22, question number. A contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of the third person in the case of his death is a contract of guarantee. 23rd, disqualification on the ground of defection. It is given in 10th schedule. Answer is option 2. Question number 24. For the purpose of hearing any reference under 143 Constitution of India, the minimum number of the judges of the Supreme Court who are to sit for the purpose shall be, it is a constitutional bench, and constitutional bench always minimum number of judges is 5. So answer is option 2, that is 5. Next, question number 25. If for a period of dash, a member of the House of Legislature of the state without the permission of the House is absent from all meeting thereof, and the House may declare his seat vacant. Answer is option 3, 60 days. Next, under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, which of the following statement is not correct? Answer is option 4. Degree include any adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from the order. It is not degree, so it is incorrect. Okay. Answer is 4, option number 4. 21st. The Indian Contract Act 1872 requisite for valid rectification. I think this page got doubled. This is knowledge of correct. This is already done. Okay. Next is under a CPC, which of the following is not a supplement proceeding? And it is given in section 94, we know, and the granting of permanent injunction is not a supplement proceeding. Answer is option 4. Under CPC, in which of the following case sign does not include stamp? See, I'm not sure in this question, but I think it should be billable warrant. But I'm not sure in this. Question number 29. Pending proceeding in a representative suit, the dispute is settled between the plaintiff and the defendant. They jointly file the application to record the settlement which was allowed. Suit will declare on the term of the settlement. Is there any procedural irregularity? Yes. Option is 4. Yes, court cannot grant permission without following the due procedure, being a representative suit. Question number 30. CPC, in one citation, the contract of engagement of a lawyer by the party is sued will be deemed to continue even after the death of that party. Which is that citation? Answer the option number 1. Till the pleader inform the court about death of party. Question number 31. You know the free legal aid is under Article 39A. Next, question 32. We all know the writ jurisdiction of High Court is more wider than the Supreme Court, because it not only include the 5 writ but also other matter. So answer is option number 1. Question 33. According to dash of interpretation, the meaning of word is to be judged by the company it gives. Adjustum genius. And this is answer is option 3. Nocitor SOC. Question 34. At rest magis valent quam parrot is also known as. This is a rule of harmonious construction. Option number 1 is the answer. What is meant by statutory interpretation? The interpretation of statute by the courts. So option is 3. Answer is option number 3. Question 36. A strike for murder of B by intentionally shooting him dead in the trial irrelevant fact. This is explanation, I think, of section 8. The relevancy must be of that particular fact. So answer is option irrelevant. Option number 2. On other occasion he should be. This is the relevant one. So answer is option 1. A was in the habit of shooting at people, which is shows his general intent, and general intent is irrelevant as per, I think, explanation of section 8. So answer is option 1, but it's marked wrongly. I think in this paper it is marked wrongly. Next, 37. A prosecutor before for adultery. This is clear-cut illustration given under judgment relevant and 11 from 40 to 43. One section is there, and this fact is irrelevant as given in the illustrations. I think it is between 40. I think it's a 43. I think it is a 43, section 43. Anyways, Question number 38. Under the provision of Protection of Women Act, which of the following statement regarding the protection is wrong? आंसर इज रॉन्ग पूछा है आपसे, तो बेलेबल है, ऑफेंस बेलेबल है, सो नॉन बेलेबल इज रॉन्ग. ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज द आंसर. Under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, which of the following statement regarding the protection officer is correct? Is correct. And we know the penalty is prescribed for not discharging duty by the protection officer, specifically provided in the Act. So, option 2 is the answer of 39 question. Question number 40. Under Section 17 of Probation of Offender Rule can be framed by the option number 3 is the answer. Clear cut given in the section that central government with the approval of. Option number 4 is the answer, that state government with the approval of central government. Here it is wrong answer given, but answer number 4 is the answer, state government with the approval of central government. Question 41. The releasing of offender after the admonition under the Probation of Offender Act 1955, which of the fact need not to be taken into consideration by the court? ये यहाँ आप सब ध्यान से देखिएगा. आपको पता है एडमोनिशन की बात हो रही है, और एडमोनिशन की प्रीवियस कन्विक्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए. नेचर ऑफेंस देखते हैं कोर्ट, पहले कैरेक्टर ऑफ ऑफेंडर भी देखा जाता है. ऑप्शन नंबर 4 भी देखिए, पनिशमेंट प्रोवाइडेड फॉर द ऑफेंस भी देखी जाती है, क्योंकि आपको पता है एडमोनिशन के लिए अप टू 2 ईयर पनिशेबल हो तभी हम एडमोनिश करके छोड़ सकते हैं. सो 4 इज रेलिवेंट, 3 इज रेलिवेंट, 2 इज रेलिवेंट. लेट्स सी अबाउट 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑप्शन नंबर 1 क्या कहता है? नंबर ऑफ प्रीवियस केसेस रजिस्टर्ड केसेस अगेंस्ट द अक्यूज, और वहां हम देखते हैं सेक्शन में प्रीवियस कन्विक्शन रेलिवेंट है, रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ केसेस इज नॉट रेलिवेंट. ठीक है, बिकॉज आपको पता है हम कहते हैं अ पर्सन इज अज्यूम्ड टू बी innocent unless and until he proved guilty. So answer is option number 1. Number of previously registered cases against the accused does not taken into consideration. अगर यहाँ प्रीवियस कन्विक्शन होता तो हम इसको भी ध्यान में रखते. ये कन्विक्शन नहीं है, ये क्या है? सिर्फ रजिस्टर्ड केसेस हैं, एंड accused is presumed to be innocent and unless proved guilty. Okay, question number 42. 142 to 147, and negotiable instrument came into force. Answer is 6 February 2002. Question 43. For the purpose of 141 negotiable instrument, company does not include. The answer is option 3, group of individual. Question 44. JJ Act, who may not be designating as a child welfare officer? Answer is head constable. 45. How many fundamental principles are provided in section 3? This is option 3 is the answer, 16. Which statement with reference to 10 of JJ Act is wrong? Wrong पूछा है आपसे यहाँ. टेक केयर. सेकेंड अपील लाई नहीं करती है, सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2. सेशन कोर्ट के अगेंस्ट सेकेंड अपील लाई नहीं करती है इसमें, तो आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन 47. JJ Act का लेस देन 3 years ऑफेंस, देन सच ऑफेंस शैल बी. क्या होगा वो ऑफेंस? लेस देन 3 है, सीरियस नहीं होगा, आपको पता है. सीरियस नहीं है तो नॉन कॉग्निजेबल नहीं है, सीरियस नहीं है तो बेल मिल जाएगी. सो नॉन कॉग्निजेबल एंड बेलेबल, ऑप्शन 3 इज द आंसर, ट्रैवल बाय एनी मैजिस्ट्रेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. जेड विल कंटेन this word, I direct all my remaining property be equally divided among A, B, C. A dishonestly scratches, it means he is causing alteration. B is name, intending that it may be believed that the whole was left to himself. And C, fraudulent intention. So what offense he commit? Both of the content of forgery are completed, so answer is option 2, that is forgery. 49th question. With reference to section 90 of IPC, consent of the child means? Answer is option 4, clear cut given in the section. Option 4 is the answer. Question number 50. Under section 13 of IPC 1860, Queen deputation were repealed by? Answer is option 2, adaptation order 1950. Section 51. Under section 65 of IPC, the term for which the court direct the offender to be punished in default of payment of fine, we know 1/4, so option is Option 1 is the answer. Under IPC 1860, when the imprisonment awarded for solitary confinement shall exceed 3 months, then the solitary confinement shall not exceed the 7 days in any 1 month. 7 days आएगा. So answer option 1 is the answer, clearly given in section 73. Question number 53. A soldier fire a mob by the order of his. This is clear cut illustration of given in under section 76. So answer is option 1, act done by the person believing himself bound by the law. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ 363A, ये एक मिनट, ये क्वेश्चन ध्यान से देखिएगा. आईपीसी माइनर मीन्स आपको पता है दिस इज किडनैपिंग, और किडनैपिंग विमेन हो तो अंडर द एज ऑफ 16 ईयर और मैन हो तो अंडर द एज ऑफ 18 ईयर. अब देख लीजिए आंसर क्या होगा. सॉरी, मैन हो तो अंडर द एज ऑफ 16 ईयर, विमेन हो तो अंडर द एज ऑफ 18 ईयर. यहाँ आंसर रॉन्ग मार्क है, नोटिस करिएगा. आंसर शुड बी ऑप्शन 3, अ फीमेल अंडर द एज ऑफ 18 ईयर. किडनैपिंग वहीं अप्लाई होती है. सो आंसर इज ऑप्शन 3. किडनैपिंग का सेक्शन है ना, तो ऑप्शन 3 आंसर आएगा. नेक्स्ट, ऑफेंस अंडर द सेक्शन 232, इट इज ऑफेंस ऑफ कॉइनेज. कॉइनेज का ऑफेंस है ये, और आपको पता है 10 ईयर से ज़्यादा पनिशेबल है. इंडियन हो तो और हो तो 7, इंडियन हो तो 10 ईयर्स. सो सीरियस ऑफेंस है, कॉग्निजेबल है, नॉन अवेलेबल है, और 7 से ज़्यादा पनिशमेंट है तो कौन टैकल कर सकता है? कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 56. बीइंग इन द पोजीशन ऑफ फॉल्स वेट एंड मेजर, क्लियर कट सेक्शन है. आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3 अंडर सेक्शन 266 ऑफ आईपीसी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. अंडर आईपीसी 1860, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट पनिशेबल ऑफेंस? प्रिपरेशन ऑफेंस अगेंस्ट स्टेट में ऑप्शन 2, 3, 4 कवर होते हैं. इस प्रिपरेशन को ऑफेंस माना गया. मेकिंग प्रिपरेशन टू कमिट द मर्डर इज नॉट पनिशेबल. सो ऑप्शन 1 इज द आंसर. Which of the following statement in respect of section 320 of CRPC is not correct? Not correct पूछा है आपसे. Last 3 option correct है. First answer आएगा, the composition of offense before the charge shall have the effect of discharge. यहाँ discharge दे रखा है, पर वहाँ section 320 में acquittal होता है इसका effect. So option 1 is the answer. Question number 59. Section 41 of CRPC. Whom among the following police cannot arrest without? 41 आपको पता है कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस से डील करता है, तो यह ना कैन नॉट बी अरेस्टेड. ऑप्शन इज 1 ऑप्शन इज द आंसर. क्वेश्चन 60. जजमेंट पास बाय ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम का हरदीप सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब 2014. आंसर नंबर 4 इज द आंसर. एडिशनल प्रोसिक्यूशन पे है ये. सो सेक्शन 319 ऑफ CRPC. Option 4 is the answer. Question 61. Which provision of code of CRPC deals with the identification of person arrested? This is option number 3. Section 54A. Under the provision of 105A of the CRPC, identifying includes, option 2 is the answer, establishment of proof that the property was derived from the commission of an offense. Question number 63. Security for good behavior from the person disseminated seditious matter can be demanded by. Answer is option 4. These are from section 108 and onwards of the CRPC, the executive magistrate. Evidence in the proceeding of 124 shall be recorded in the manner of the summon cases section in section 126, clear cut given. So answer option 1 is the correct answer. Question 65. Order made under 144 of CRPC shall not remain in force for more than, answer is 2 months. Option 1. Indecent Representation of Women Act 1986 is published in the Gazette of. हाँ, यहाँ ध्यान से देखिएगा आप. हमें पता है एनफोर्समेंट पासिंग डेट है 23 दिसंबर 1986 जब ये एक्ट बना था. 2 अक्टूबर डेट है 1987 जो ऑप्शन 4 में है. लेकिन ये आपसे दोनों डेट नहीं पूछ रहा है, ये आपसे पूछ रहा है पब्लिश्ड कब हुआ था. तो एक्ट पब्लिश्ड हुआ था ऑप्शन नंबर 3 25 सितंबर 1987. प्रोविजन ऑफ सेक्शन 3 to 13 ऑफ प्रोबेशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस एक्ट 2000 shall not apply. Answer number 1. Such medical examination or medical injection is undertaken with the consent of the child himself. क्योंकि पेरेंट्स की कंसेंट से तो अलाउड है मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन, और कोर्ट की कंसेंट से भी अलाउड है, वो तो क्लियरली परमिट है. पुलिस तो सीधा ही लेके जा सकती है इन्वेस्टिगेशन में। तो वन आंसर है, चाइल्ड कंसेंट इज नो कंसेंट, देयरफॉर 67 क्लोज ऑप्शन वन इज द आंसर। फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ सेक्शन 23 द पोस्को एक्ट कह रहा है विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्ट। ऑप्शन थ्री इज द आंसर। Under section 32, the POSCO person shall be eligible to appoint as a SPP. 7-year experience required. So option 3 is the answer. Question number 70th. Sexual harassment of women at workplace, 2013, in Constitution of Internal Complaints Committee. At least, one clear provision from the section. One half women should be there. So option 3 is the answer. Adhyadesh section, question number 71. Option 2 is the answer. Adhi plus Adesh, that is Adhyadesh. 72, ढक जमा अन, तो अन ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज द आंसर। बहुवचन आंसू, बहुवचन शब्द है आंसू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 74, अपना अपना में अपना जो है वो सर्वनाम है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 75, ऑप्शन 4 इज द आंसर। सीता की आंखों में आंसू बह रहे हैं। यहाँ मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी कि वह बुद्धिमती स्त्री है, बुद्धिमती आना चाहिए। आदरणीय माता जी से निवेदन कीजिए, यह भी गलत है। गुणवान गुणवती स्त्री आना चाहिए। तो लास्ट ऑप्शन सीता की आंसू से आंसू बह रहे हैं करेक्ट है। अशुद्ध वाक्य देखना है, ये अशुद्ध है, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 अनेकों लिखा हुआ है, अनेक आना था। अक्कल का पुतला, ये देखना है, ये कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कराया बच्चों के लिए इन्होंने, कैंडिडेट्स के लिए। एक्चुअली होता है, सॉरी अक्कल का पुतला यहाँ पे है बुद्धिमान, एक्चुअल में मुहावरा है अक्कल का दुश्मन, जिसको हम कहते हैं मूर्ख व्यक्ति। तो क्लिक एकदम से यही करता है कि मूर्ख होगा, बट टेक केयर, इसमें अक्कल का पुतला लिखा है, यानी जिसमें बहुत सी अकल है, तो दैट इज बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति। ऑप्शन 2 इज द आंसर। कान में फूक मारने वाला, क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 का है, ऑप्शन 2 चुगली करना। निषेध, ये क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग है क्योंकि सॉरी निषेध, नी में विसर्ग दिया है प्लस सेध। आई थिंक ऑप्शन 2 शुड बी आंसर, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस। आई थिंक दिस क्वेश्चन शुड बी डिलीटेड बिकॉज विसर्गे नहीं आती है शायद, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस। 79 क्वेश्चन नंबर। अकारण, अकारण का सकारण होता है, ठीक है। कारण भी को भी करेक्ट कर सकते हैं, तो लेट्स वेट फॉर आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन 80। दोनों ही ठीक हो सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 81, अनुप्रास अलंकार, आपको पता है रिपीटिंग वर्ड, अनुप्रास अलंकार रिपीट जहां होते हैं वर्ण, न की रिपीटिंग हो रही है ऑप्शन 1 में, तो ऑप्शन 1 इज द आंसर। 82, ऑप्शन 2 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। कर्म वाच्य का उदाहरण दीजिए, ऑप्शन 2 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। 83 में ये स्थानवाचक क्रिया विशेषण पूछा था आपसे। क्रिया जो है चलना क्रिया है, और चलने की क्रिया स्थान कौन सा है, बीच में स्थान तो सिर्फ दिल्ली ही है, तो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज द आंसर। इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 85, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 इज करेक्ट आंसर। कैरिड आउट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 में कैरिड आउट आएगा। ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 87, ही विल गो टू मुंबई एंड पुट अप इन ए होटल। पुट अप होता है, एक नॉर्मल लाइन है, नॉर्मल इडियोमेटिक सेंटेंस में हम पूछ लेते हैं वेयर आर यू पुटिंग दीज डेज, वेयर आर यू पुटिंग अप दीज डेज, तो यहाँ पुट अप ही आएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 83, द चीफ गेस्ट विद हिज वाइफ हैज लेफ्ट आएगा, क्योंकि देखिए पूरा स्ट्रेस चीफ गेस्ट पे जा रहा है विच इज ए सिंगुलर पर्सन, ठीक है। एंड आता तो कुछ और सिचुएशन होती, सिंगुलर पर्सन है तो हैव तो आएगा नहीं, हैज लेफ्ट आएगा, ऑप्शन वाइज इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Filling the blank with the appropriate article, I could not believe my eyes when I saw dash an elephant, normal है, option number 2। India will become a superpower, option number 1 is the answer of question 90। Question number 91, choose correct sentence। आपको पता है सेकेंड फॉर्म आती है तो उधर हेड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म आती है, तो इस सेंटेंस में ऑप्शन 2 इज द आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 92, एक्सट्रेनियस होता है जो स्ट्रेंज मतलब रेलिवेंट नहीं है आपके, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3 रेलिवेंट। चूज द वर्ड विच इज अपोजिट इन मीनिंग टू द वर्ड कॉग्निगल। कॉग्निगल होता है प्लीजेंट, तो उसका अपोजिट होता है अनप्लीजेंट, ऑप्शन 4 इज करेक्ट आंसर। वर्बोस होता है बहुत, वर्बोस बहुत बोलने वाला होता है ना, तो उसका Option 1 is the correct answer, that is talkative. Choose the correct synonym of the word lethargy. Answer is option 1, laxity. 96. If writing an application to the mayor about the pathetic condition of the road, answer is option 1. Question number 97. Answer is option 1. Question number 98. Passive, active, passive. Let the needy be helped. Option 2 is the correct answer. 99. Choose the correct active and passive voice which best express the following sentence. यहाँ I think यहाँ पे if water detection test of Mars was conducted successfully by the scientists. I think it should be option 4. 100, question number 100, option 2 is the correct answer. This is monotone. Thank you. I have these answers as per my knowledge and search based. If any correction is suggested, then it's most welcome. Let's wait for the original answers key by the RPSC. There may be a variation of, I think, not more than 2-3 answers. Anyway, thank you. Thanks a lot for listening me.